How to turn off captions on X Twitter. So all you have to do is just go to your settings and just search for accessibility. Now, once you found your accessibility, just click that. Now, once you're in here, you should you should navigate your RG adjustment, or should I say in my cell phone, it's caption references. So it depends on you. As you can see, you can show captions or off captions because in the Twitter, it doesn't have any options to off your captions. So just turn it off in your accessibility. So we have different cell phones, so it has different settings. So maybe in your cell phone is not like this. Maybe in another name. So you could turn off that caption in your cell phone. And once turned off, it will automatically, not just in Twitter, but in all apps, it will turn off its caption preferences. And that's it.